every time I had an exhibition, I was slightly missing something, and I often said to the gallerist, could I please I would say to the gallerist, I miss the book very much, because I think in sequences, I think in large symphonies, and the photography exhibition would mean single prints that would go away into different collections or homes or wherever they went, or back into my archive, but they somehow got separated. And I missed the sequence of the book very much, and I thought, couldn't I just paste my book behind the prints? And the gallery said, absolutely no, a book is a book and a print is a print. And it somehow stayed with me, the idea that why can't my book be the exhibition? Why can't the book be the work itself? And so, if you will just hold my... So I made the book in such a way that the book really becomes a catalogue of the exhibition. So it has 88 photographs inside. All of these are books on the wall. It's the same book. But it has 88 different covers, the front and the back.
So there are actually two exhibitions here, the one that you see now, and then behind that there is a hidden secret exhibition which, if you turn the books around, it becomes something else.
Which I hope to turn around on the 22nd. So the part 2 of the exhibition will start in a few weeks. And the idea was also that I wanted people to be able to hold the work like this. This is how I look at prints. I'm an analog person. I want to hold things in my hands, and I want to lie down in bed with them. I want to be able to engage with them, with my body, and not always have this glass and mat in the way. Somehow there was something about the mat, the frame, the glass, and the edition that felt that the photo was being castrated, that it was missing the life that it has, which is the life of the sequence and the editing. And so while I worked really hard with Sent a Letter to try to make a book that was an exhibition, I dreamt, and I got very emotional before the show this evening, because it was really like, this is a dream for 30 years to have, is it possible to have the book on the wall? And I'm very grateful to Martin Baldi for trusting me with that. There were plenty of people who said, but we want your prints, no prints, some prints, at least give us something.